Some football now. Clarendon College, Cornwall College, Dinthill Technical and McGrath High will contest the semi-final of the Isada Costa Cup competition following the final set of matches in the quarter-final round on Tuesday. Last year's beaten finalists, Cornwall College, entered Tuesday's game knowing the gods of football would have to smile on them in order for them to secure a spot in the last four. The 12-time winners needed to beat Magati at Jarrett Park and Hope Manchester failed to beat Garvey Maceo. But if Garvey Maceo won their contest, Cornwall had to ensure they scored more goals than the 2007 champions in order to advance. Brandon Kurati ensured the team from St. James wouldn't miss out as he netted all 3 goals in their 3-0 win. His first came on the stroke of half-time as he converted from 12 yards out. He added his second in the 74th minute, and at that stage Cornwall were only a goal better than Garvey Maceo. The insurance came with 4 minutes of regular time left to ensure another last four berth.
Satisfying result. Still areas that we need to work on going into the semi-finals. But we'll take it back to the training pitch. We'll enjoy this victory and then prepare ourselves for the Champions Cup as well as the Costa Cup semi-finals.
The result for Cornwall College condemned Garvey Maceo to second place in the group despite an exciting 3-2 win over Manchester High at Manchester's school grounds. The hosts went in front after goalkeeper Akil Benjamin gave away an indirect free kick inside the box. Wayne Atkinson thumped home from the spot to make it 1-0. Garvey Maceo found themselves back on level terms when goalkeeper Kevin Dixon ensured a shot from Tyrese Henry crossed the line in first half stoppage time. With 10 minutes to go, Dane Golding earned Manchester a penalty, which he converted to give them the lead for a second time at 2-1. But again, Garvey Maceo would draw level as substitute Gregory Cousins finished off a smooth build-up in the 84th minute. And with their Costa Cup hopes on the line, Manchester also made the opportunity to contest the Ben Francis Cup slip after Cleo Clark scored to give Garvey Maceo all 3 points and a spot in the rural era knockout competition. Elsewhere on the day, defending champions Clarendon College maintained their unbeaten run with a 7-0 hammering of Anchovy High to end the top of Group 1 with maximum 9 points. Dinthill Technical also progressed to another Costa Cup semi-final following their 2-1 victory over Frome, while McGrath also made progress despite losing 2-1 to St. Elizabeth Technical, as Stets only managed to get 4 points, while McGrath ended with 6. Also on the day, BB Coke beat Happy Grove 2-1, Port Antonio stopped Petersfield 4-2, while Mannings and Cedric Titus ended goalless. Now, in the meantime, 2017 beaten finalists St. Andrew Technical will continue their quest to make it to the last four of the Issa Manning Cup for the 3rd year running when they take on Excelsior in quarter-final action at the National Stadium on Wednesday. That starts at 2 p.m. It's the first game of a doubleheader as Woolmer's battle Camperdown in the second game at 4. In Thursday's doubleheader, defending champions Kingston College, they go up against Charlie Smith at 2 p.m. while last year's beaten finalists St. George's College and many-time champions Jamaica College do battle in a titanic clash at 4. And with that, we head into a break on Primetime Sports Tuesday. Stay with us. Lots more after this.